Hi, Scott Larter. I've been selling data for over 20 years, and I've become obsessed with helping agents and brokers automate engagement to grow their business. Let's be honest, homeowners expect you to do an open house. It's something that needs to be done on weekends. They expect it, you have to do it. There's a lot of things you're expected to do, but let me ask you, do you really feel like you're getting the return on these things? Did the buyer of the last house you sold, did that come from the open house? The door knocking you're doing on weekends, that's time you should be spending with your family. I know how you feel. Real estate is a hobby to Canadians. How do I know that? 2025, 950,000 listings, 470,000 sales, but the top 4 digital real estate websites had over 150 million visits per quarter. Now I know you're probably feeling stuck. A lot of people in this market are. This industry doesn't love innovation. It's meant to keep you stuck. You're putting out things that aren't getting the return on investment. You're competing with the digital real estate platforms. The banks, they've got the tech, they've got the teams, they've got the marketing budget. When we built this platform, we had that in mind. Ways to help you get in front of your customer in an engaging way to help grow your business. Partnering with me, we'll give you the tools to fast forward your business, to tackle the big bad wolf, which again is the digital platforms and the banks, to help grow your business with tools that actually work, keeping you front and center in front of your customer and in front of your lead. Let's grow your business together. I'm going on this journey with you. I'm building tools to help automate that whole process and give you your time back. Come with me on this journey. Hit subscribe. Let's do this together.